जूनान कला अकादमी एक्स-एनसीसी कॅडेट असोसिएशन हांणी आयोजीत केल्ल्या द नवीन टाइम्स पुरस्कार हाचे वितरण सुवाळे जाले। ह्या वेळार राज्यपाल एस.सी. जमीर, श्रीमती पल्लवी धेंपे मानाची सैरी म्हणून उपस्थित आशिल्ली। एनसीसीच्या भुरग्यांनी सामाजिक बदल हाडपाची ताकद आसता अशें ताणें सांगलें। फुडें एनसीसीची भुरगीं ही देशाची जबाबदार नागरिक आणि भावी मंत्री म्हणून तयार जाता अशी श्रीमती पल्लवी धेंपे हांणी आपल्या भाशणांत सांगलें।
As we all know that the NC cadets have excelled not only in their job, for say in the army or the police, but in professions, but also in the commitment to serving the society as well. And I completely believe that they've always taken the initiative to make those sacrifices to serve the society and the country. And I think we need to keep thinking of how we can be with them, how we can encourage them, and how we can actually honor them. And I think we need to make them feel that we are behind you, the state is behind you, the country is behind you. The instituting of the Naveen Times Achievement Awards to recognize the meritorious services of the ex-NC cadets was a very small step in that direction. And I'm sure that you will be a great source of motivation to all our youth.
I'm happy to learn that the 6-year-old association has taken worthy activities such as blood donation, career guidance, courses to motivate students to join armed forces, elocution competition, etc. I place on record my appreciation of the association to honor the ex-NCC cadets who have achieved success in their various fields. Wherever I go, and in a gathering like this, those people who have received awards in their different discipline or for their different special contributions to the society, I always pose one question. Are you really Indians? Do you feel that you are Indians? And if so, what should we contribute? What should we do for this great country of ours? In your humble way, you have contributed to the society. In your own way, you have helped the people around you. In your own way, you have tried to excel in the organization to which you belong. And perhaps in this way we have to build up this great country. When the nation calls upon them for the defense of the country, I think this youth force who are trained, at least who have acquired the preliminary training in armed forces, they will be the engines of our defense forces. And therefore, NCC, scouts, guides, I think we have to encourage them so that they can build up not only their character, but here they build up the spirit of nationalism is instilled when they work along with their colleagues, their comrades. I think we always, when we were youth, we were very fond of the word comrades. Comrades in arms. Not only friends, comrades in arms. And therefore, we have to arm them, not the weapon, but we have to arm them with the spirit of Indian nationalism so that we can have a better future for our great country.